All right, ice is not coming out. Push it, and it doesn't want to. Solution for it. Easy solution. Don't try to put anything in there because you break the parts inside. So we're gonna do it. You know, it's gonna be hard, but we're gonna do it from the inside of the refrigerator. So we're gonna take out. We're gonna press here. We're gonna press over here. Try to grab it from over here. See if we can pop it out. All right. It's gonna be kind of difficult. It's not that easy. I already have to try. That's why you can see the dirt. But we're gonna have to get in there and get all this out. So as you try to pop it up, you have to come up. You have to come up and shake it. You can't do it. You have to shake it up and up like that. Shake it. And it should pop up. Grab it and see if it pops up. So as you try to pop it up, you have to come up. You have to come up and shake it. You can't do it. You have to shake it up and up like that. Shake it. And it should pop up. Grab it and see if it pops up. So when you pop it up, this is what you got. You got ice bound right here. That's where it doesn't want to come out. And the reason why that happens is because that door on the bottom, right here, see that door right there? It needs to close. So every time you press it, it's got to close just like that. You got to be able to hear it. It has to close like that and do that suction. That's what you want to hear. So when ice comes down and it traps right there, it leaves it open. Air goes in there, and what it does, it freezes, and it does this. It binds up. By that time, it's too late. And you try to poke it. You see what happens here? You see this particles? Those are metal particles from here. You gotta make sure you clean that before reusing it, because you don't want those metal particles going to the ice. So pretty much this ice is no good and dirty. So we're gonna clean this out. Try it again. After cleaning it, make sure clean this off. Clean this real good. Try to get all the ice that's built up in here too, so you can be able to put the ice basket back in here. And get rid of that ice too. Don't reuse that ice on there. There's just stuff already in there. Clean it the best you can. Can somebody grab the baby, please? Can somebody grab the baby? You see what happens when you chisel from the inside over down there? Look what happens. All this right here, it's all eaten up because so many forks, knives gets, you know, it's probably me that have done that damage. But yeah, that's why we try not to poke inside. It's better off removing the basket. That's it. After you're done cleaning it, you gotta make sure you separate it, and you gotta de-ice all this right in here. That's the problem why it's binding up.
No, we do the same thing.
I'm gonna use a blower, a hot hair blower, and get in there and melt everything up. Or you can put hot water. I think hot water is gonna be the best. I melted it down with hot water from the sink. And I was able to melt everything inside there. I'm gonna put it back together. Put it back in.
Finally have some giants in this house.
And let's see if it works. All right, it's fixed. All set.